cicada, but it's before it's it's in the stage right before it gets onto a tree and dries out and hatches. I've never seen one alive like this. Last year I caught one in the hatching stage. That was really neat, but I've never actually seen one at this stage crawling around. I always just find the shells. And it's so cool. Seen all kinds of stuff for the first time this year. Just right up there, I saw a copperhead, and then just right over there, I saw like a rat snake, and then yesterday over there, I saw a king snake. This is the first time seeing one of these guys live like this. Pretty cool. We'll put you somewhere and let you get your hatch on, Mr. Cicada. All right. Say goodbye to the good people on YouTube. Maybe we'll hear your song later on in the summer. I don't know how long it'd take to come out of the ground and then start hatching. You see his little green triangles on his side. That's where his big wings are gonna come out of. His short little stubby things. Okay. Man, it's so neat. I love these bugs. Oop! Oh, just dove to the ground. Wait. So I got the exoskeleton. Mr. Exoskeleton kept you safe. All right, later, y'all.